So hi everyone, I'm gonna teach you how to edit my brilliant. Go to CapCut. I think you're gonna spawn here. Go to edit and then click new project. Find the video you want to edit. Sorry guys, I was wrong. Just go to adjust and just adjust the brightness. My tita asked me to charge her phone. That's why I don't know. And then go find your brilliantly you want to edit to your video. Mm. And then click splice and click filter. Just adjust where you want to put the brilliante in your video.
Magpop-up daw si Magpop-up daw si ate. Kaon na din dito ha.
Then delete the rest. Go to add overlay again and click where do you want to power blast or water blast. Just do the same as the Brilliante. Click splice and click filter. Then adjust. And then just delete the rest. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Results. If you like it, just click the export and wait.